Lakshmi. This new facility, it's been a month here for all of us, and it's a fabulous ambience. It allows us to collaborate better. It allows all of us to work under the same roof, which is a big, big, big plus. Being in this company for 1 month, this has been the superb advantage because I get to meet so many different teams. I've collaborated in every possible zone of this space. I have worked out of different rooms, used the gaming facility, used the cafeteria. It just gives us that ambience of being in one place, belonging as one team, working, collaborating together, and giving the right flavor of what Impelsys is all about. So that's the new space for me, and looking forward to working out of this space for a longer duration.
Yeah, so the space which we got, it's very good, and especially the cafeteria, and the view from the office is very nice. That's all.
Hi. So the new office is incredible, fantastic. It's a huge milestone, as in Impulses has moved to a new office, and definitely it feels great to be in this office compared to what we were before. So definitely it's a very good experience coming to this office.